Snap Inc., which owns photo messaging app Snapchat, said on Monday it is rolling out an artificial intelligence chatbot powered by OpenAI's ChatGPT technology. As the company seeks to enter the buzzy field of generative AI, the chatbot called My AI will be available to subscribers of Snap's premium subscription, Snapchat Plus, the company said in a blog post. ChatGPT, which can generate prose in response to prompts, has captivated the tech industry. Microsoft and Alphabet's Google both announced their own AI chatbots earlier in February. My AI was trained to have a fun and light-hearted tone and will be available to offer creative ideas like potential gifts for a friend's birthday or write a poem about a certain topic, Snap said.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.